The military industry is constantly evolving. Engineers are always on the lookout for new technologies to provide better support to soldiers on the battlefield. So today, we're taking a look at 10 of the most incredible armored military vehicles in the world. From impenetrable fortresses on wheels to high-tech stealth machines, these vehicles are pushing the boundaries of what's possible on the battlefield. But before we start our journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss a video. And now, let's get started. Number 1. Patriot II. The Patriot II is a versatile modular vehicle in the 13 to 17-ton category, ideal for combat, patrol, and reconnaissance missions. This second-generation model builds on the strengths of its predecessor, the Patriot 4x4. It serves as a flexible platform for various applications, including command, communication, anti-chemical operations, medical support, and weapon systems carriage. The Patriot II is utilized by security forces and civil troops, such as police, firefighters, rescuers, and security services. It can be fitted with turrets for manually operated weapons up to 14.5mm caliber, or remote-operated weapon stations with up to 20mm guns or grenade launchers. Additionally, it can be equipped with guided missiles or a mortar. The vehicle employs a Tatra chassis featuring a central backbone tube, swing axle, and four-wheel drive, providing exceptional performance. Number 2. Dagger A1. The Dagger A1 is a high-mobility vehicle designed to transport up to 9 personnel with a total payload capacity of 4,000 pounds, representing a 20% increase over its predecessor. According to Mark McCormick, a senior director at Polaris Government and Defense, the vehicle's gross weight is 8,500 pounds. Engineered for versatility, the Dagger A1 excels in various demanding environments. Its increased payload capacity allows it to carry more equipment and supplies, enhancing its operational utility for military and defense applications. The vehicle is optimized for rapid deployment and can navigate challenging terrains, making it suitable for a range of missions from troop transport to reconnaissance. The Dagger A1's robust construction and enhanced payload capacity ensure it can support extensive field operations while maintaining high performance and reliability. Number 3. Zetor Gerlach. The Zetor Gerlach is a new generation armored tactical vehicle developed by Zetor Engineering Slovakia. It was unveiled at the International Defense and Security Technologies Fair in Brno, Czech Republic, in May 2019. In September 2019, Zetor partnered with Rheinmetall Protection Systems to equip the Gerlach with advanced ballistic and anti-mine protection. The Gerlach 4x4 is based on the rolling chassis Zetor and uses multi-layer components for enhanced occupant and vehicle protection. Its design features an overpressure armored capsule mounted directly on the chassis and a gantry frame arrangement that withstands high dynamic impacts. The vehicle measures 18.5 feet in length, 8.2 feet in width, and 8.2 feet in height. It has a conventional layout with a power pack at the front, a central crew cab, and a rear cargo section. The forward crew cab is protected by a two-piece windshield and has 2 doors on each side for easy entry and exit. Number 4. The Barys 888 is a multi-role armored vehicle equipped with advanced technologies, developed to meet the growing demand for versatile, high-mobility, and mine-hardened platforms. This wheeled vehicle offers exceptional protection against mines, improvised explosive devices, and shell-less roadside bombs. One of the standout features of the Barys 8x8 is its mine-resistant flat floor, which reduces the vehicle's profile to 7.9 feet, providing additional combat advantages and enhanced protection against certain IEDs. The vehicle's design also includes specially engineered anti-blast seats that prevent injuries from the extreme acceleration caused by side blasts or mine explosions beneath the hull. The Barys 8x8 is designed for high mobility and versatility in various combat scenarios, ensuring the safety of its occupants while maintaining superior performance in challenging environments. Number 5. Viper 4R4. The Viper 4R4 is a mine-resistant ambush-protected armored personnel carrier developed by Mobile Land Systems in the UAE. Debuting at the IDEX International Defense Exhibition and Conference in 2019, the Viper is designed to withstand ambushes and explosive threats, providing robust protection for its occupants. During the UAE Armed Forces Summer Trials in 2018, the Viper demonstrated its capability to navigate diverse terrains over a distance of 932 miles, showcasing its reliability and adaptability. The vehicle's design incorporates an open and modular architecture, allowing it to be customized with various mission-specific add-ons according to customer needs. The Viper 4x4 can serve multiple roles, including troop or personnel transport, firepower support, military ambulance, and mobile command and control station. Number 6. Mbombe 4. The Mbombe 4, developed by Paramount Group, is a highly effective mine-resistant ambush-protected vehicle, notable for its advanced technology and battlefield advantages. It features a flat-bottom, blast-protected hull that reduces its silhouette to under 7.9 feet, providing significant combat benefits by lowering the target profile and mitigating the effects of side blasts and IED attacks. The vehicle offers exceptional protection, mobility, and firepower as standard features. The Mbombe 4 is highly versatile and can be configured to meet specific needs, whether as an armored personnel carrier or an armored fighting vehicle. It can be equipped with a heavy machine gun or an automatic cannon remote weapon station. The vehicle can accommodate the driver, commander, gunner, and 8 fully equipped infantrymen, along with tools, ammunition, and other equipment. In terms of protection, the Mbombe 4 meets STANAG 4569 Level 3 for ballistic resistance and STANAG Level 4A and 4B for anti-tank mine protection. Number 7. Ajban 447A. The Ajban 447A is a versatile armored vehicle known for its scalable protection against ballistic threats, mine blasts, and improvised explosive devices. Its design features bullet and splinter-proof windows that enhance situational awareness for the crew. The vehicle accommodates 2 crew members and 5 passengers, all seated in blast-attenuating seats, ensuring safety during operations. Rapid entry and exit are facilitated by 2 doors on each side. Equipped with an independent suspension system, the Ajban 447A offers excellent cross-country mobility, while a central tire inflation system allows the driver to adjust tire pressure based on terrain conditions. This adaptability makes it suitable for diverse operational environments. Additionally, the Ajban 447A can be armed with various weapon systems to meet specific mission needs. Number 8. The Milkor 4R4 is an armored personnel carrier developed by the South African defense manufacturer Milkor. It is designed specifically to meet the infantry carrier needs of armed forces throughout Africa, making it suitable for various missions, including troop transportation, casualty evacuation, and riot control. This versatile APC can be utilized by police forces, law enforcement agencies, security services, and military units globally. The Milkor 4R4 was officially unveiled at the Africa Aerospace and Defense Exhibition in September 2018, where its armored transport vehicle configuration was showcased. Production of the Milkor 4R4 began in 2018, and the company received its first order from an undisclosed customer at the AAD event. This vehicle exemplifies Milkor's commitment to providing reliable and effective solutions for contemporary security challenges across different operational contexts. Number 9. Arcus Fortress. The Arquus Fortress is a 4x4 armored personnel carrier developed by Arquus Defense, formerly known as Renault Trucks Defense. Designed to meet NATO standards, the Fortress is a universal, battle-tested vehicle capable of withstanding extreme conditions. It offers a well-balanced ratio of weight and power, ensuring excellent mobility across diverse terrains while providing optimal comfort for both the crew and passengers. This all-terrain vehicle is utilized by various Special Forces units worldwide. At IDEX 2019 in Abu Dhabi, a version of the Fortress armed with a Hornet T1 remotely controlled weapon station was showcased, highlighting its versatility in combat situations. The Fortress features a robust, all-welded armored hull that provides maximum protection for its occupants. Number 10. Inca Superior. The Inca Superior Armored Personnel Carrier and Armored Medical Evacuation Vehicle is a versatile, multi-purpose vehicle designed for challenging environments and rough terrains. It can safely transport up to 14 personnel or 2 crew members along with 6 wounded passengers. This vehicle is ideal for law enforcement, paramilitary, and peacekeeping operations, and its modular design allows for easy customization with various additional components. Powered by a robust inline-6 diesel engine that delivers 330 horsepower and 950 lb-ft of torque, the Superior can reach a top speed of 81 mph. It features a 5th-generation Allison 3000 push-button transmission, a strong transfer case, and an electro-hydraulic fuel system, ensuring excellent mobility and reliability. And there you have it, folks. These were 10 incredible military vehicles from around the globe. From cutting-edge technology to unmatched versatility, these machines showcase the advancements in defense and security. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and always stay curious.